So on this particular item is the upper radiator hose, and we've already drained the coolant in the system, so it's clear to take the hose off and not make any coolant mess. These are expansion clamps. They're like factory clamps. This is a tool. You can use a pair of pliers. You want to squeeze that like that. You can use a pair of pliers, like I said, but this locks it in. So I'm going to bring it down the hose, get it out of the way, and I can release it. Now I'm going to do the same to the side that connects to the radiator. So I'm going to put my tool on that clamp, and I'm going to squeeze that one down. Let it lock. I'll slide that right out on the hose. Release it. Now I can grab the hose firmly. Take it right off. Now I'm going to follow my hose over to the thermostat housing. I'm going to do the same here. Now I'm going to line up my new hose to the old hose and find the bends and try and make them properly. Looks pretty good right like that. So I'm going to transfer the old clamps over. You can use new clamps if you want. They're pretty reliable. So now we're all set and we can install it. I'm just going to go thermostat housing first. Make sure it goes all the way down. Don't be shy. You want it to hit that plastic where it houses, stops it right there. And then we're going to go on the radiator. Make sure it's flush all the way to that radiator. It is. Line my clamp up. They have these self-locking tabs on them. So when it locks, that little tab right there, when these get locked on it, that's why they're designed that way. You put a screwdriver through here and push lift up. You can use that as leverage, and it pushes that tab down, boom, and they lock right into place. You can put a screwdriver through here and like that, push down. Here is the thermostat housing. I can feel it. So I'm right below that. So now you're going to close that drain plug on that radiator and fill up the radiator. It goes right through this overflow tank, expansion tank, and you're just going to put your coolant right in there.